Jesus, let me know, but they show no fish. He didn't say he found it, but she's still gonna hold on. He didn't say he found it, but she doesn't want.
Good morning, my Talk to Me podcast family and friends. Today we're going to be doing a daily vlog. And on the daily vlog, we're going to start focusing on mind, body, and motherhood. We're going to start the day off with finding something to wear, having a good balanced breakfast, going for a nature trail walk, coming back, getting on the punching bag, getting kids from school, and that sort of things, okay? But come on, let's go. First, I need to do some of my hair. I really look a mess. All right, y'all, so I'm finna, look in the mirror. This is my tattoo, y'all. Y'all see I love butterflies and hearts. I have them all over my body. But anyways, let me get ready and go and get me some breakfast started. I'm gonna make me probably some fresh fruit, coffee. You know, you gotta have your coffee. Start your day off. That is my favorite thing to do. All right. So we're going to make some breakfast, fresh fruit, and then I'm going to find me something to wear for today. Let me get in some better light for y'all. Okay, so I got this one piece right here, as you can see, front right here and the back on this side. Yeah, I'm gonna probably wear this. Okay, so give me a few minutes to get dressed and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I just got out the shower, straighten out my hair a little bit, get this oil off my face, and tie my hair up so I can get ready to go out. Alright, so this is the final look. My shoes. And now I'm going to put this waist trainer on. And I try to get a size down so it can fit perfect. But, hold on, y'all. Now, I don't know what is going on with this thing. I usually have my fiance hold it for me and I squeeze my butt in it, but looks like I can, I done broke the zipper, y'all. Look at the bottom of the zipper. The little latch part at the bottom is gone. Well, looks like we won't be wearing no waist trainer today. So let's just go ahead and eat these fresh fruit that we got. Some grapes and strawberries and my Stanley Cup with my fruit juice. Black on black is not my thing, but this is my baby jacket, my fiance, his brand Shark Camp. So I will be rocking it today. I usually don't do black on black, but this is kind of cute. She was a fairy. Yep. Alright, so now I done tied my hair down. I'm going to get ready to head to the car. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we in the car about to get ready and head to the nature trail park first. Get a little walk in. Y'all, this strawberry banana fruit juice I'm drinking is so good. So good. That wouldn't be me if I wasn't jamming out to the music. All right, time to walk. Let's get it. Beautiful day outside. Got me and my son with me, and we just finna chill for today. See me better? Y'all, it is so nice out here. And while I was out here, I just wanted to ask y'all, like, what are some of the things that you feel like you struggle with the most? What is it? Like, for me, it was breaking out of my comfort zone and being not so shy. I used to be so shy. Okay, hold on. I used to be so shy, and doing this channel, walking with y'all, talking to y'all, it's kind of breaking me out of it a little bit more. So that's something that I struggled with for a long time. But I just want to give y'all one word while I'm on this journey and walk: push through. Push through anything that you're dealing with that's negative. Even when you're going through good times, just know that there's bad times around the corner. So still push through those dark times, those times where you feel alone, those times where you feel like nobody else has your back or in your corner. Keep going. That's my view. Alright, so at this point it got a little warm, so I took my jacket off. I'm gonna get ready and take my hair down for a little bit. Tie my jacket up so it's not all over the place and in my way. Look at my baby, y'all. He's so cute, so handsome, such a good little helper. Alright, so let's go again. Let's start walking. Now, y'all, I want y'all to look at this dog. He is so cute. I don't know if it's a boy or girl, or he or she is so cute. Now look at me. Had to turn back around just to look at the dog. I want y'all to see the dog with me really good. So cute. Beautiful day, nice walk. Now we're gonna get back in the car. We're gonna head back to the house, try to relax, decompress for a little bit. And then after that, it should be time for me to go pick up the kids from school. Time goes by fast. Let's go ahead and get the kids from school now. It's an early dismissal, so we had to come a little early today. I got my babies now, and now we're about to get ready to head back to the house. Now this is where I start my stretching and a little bit of yoga. Nothing too deep, too serious, just stretching my body out because I'm going to get ready and use the punching bag, so I don't want to be super tight. That was a good workout. Now I'm gonna get in the shower, guys. Brush my hair back out now out of the shower. And get ready to wrap it up. Okay. Alright, y'all, that's my night. I'm about to try to get me a snack, get on the couch, watch TV. As you can see here, I'm watching them because they keep looking at me. I don't want them to see my snacks. Alright, y'all. Good night. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.